Hi guys, this is Belle from Team Big. So we are here at Kamaya Coast and i-explain ko sa inyo yung mga requirements na kailangan nating i-provide pagbibili tayo ng property sa Kamaya Coast.
Hello future Kamaya Coast residents. It's Belle from Team Big and today we're making your dream of owning a property here a reality. I'm going to walk you through a simple steps and requirements for buying your piece of paradise. Number 1, choose your property. First things first, explore our wide range of properties. From condos to residential lots. We have something for everyone. Number 2, reservation. Once you've found your dream property, it's time to reserve it. This secures your unit or lot and takes it off the market. A reservation fee is required which varies depending on the property type. This fee is deductible from your down payment. Number 3, submission of requirements. To proceed with your purchase, we'll need a few documents from you. This typically includes a valid ID, proof of billing, and income documents. Our team will guide you through this process and ensure everything is in order. Number 4, payment scheme. We offer flexible payment schemes to suit your budget. Our sales team will discuss the different options and help you find the best payment plan for your needs. See, it's that easy. Owning your dream property at Kamaya Coast is within your reach. We're here to assist you every step of the way.
So ayan po yung mga requirements na kailangan natin. Kung gusto nyo pong pumunta dito sa Kamaya Coast, just message me and itutur ko po kayo dito sa loob ng Kamaya Coast.